Hello and welcome back to my channel Jazzy Jo. I am so excited that you're here, and today I want to tell you something about myself. I have a subscription to a beauty box which comes every month to me. Oh, I am so kid about this box that comes to me every month. A few years ago actually I found it, and I have been getting these boxes all of these years and I've never spoken about it. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you the box and do a little bit unboxing of that box and share my excitement with you. As a beauty junkie, it is really nice to get these subscription boxes because first of all, they give you these tiny little products which you can take in travel, and I travel a lot, so that was always a good thing for me. But on the top of it, you get to try really newest of the newest products in the market. Some of my top favorite products are the products that I tried from these beauty boxes and then I kept buying it over and over, and I'm absolutely happy with it. And this video is not sponsored on it or anything. I am saying whatever I'm saying from my heart, whatever I feel, whatever joy it gives me, I'm just sharing with you like a friend. So yeah, this beauty box has been coming to me since years and I've loved every edition of them, especially the Christmas editions, or there are some special like Easter edition or something like that. Those editions are very good. They are very high in value, but the price is always the same. I pay around 19-20 for this box, and this box comes to me without any fee or extra postage charges, which is perfect, because here in Switzerland whatever you order, it's always the 7 francs or 10 francs on the top for delivery, but then this beauty box comes without a postage charge, which is amazing. I'm so happy about that. So let me show you my beauty box. It's here. So this month's beauty box is an orange one, so let me show you up close. This is how the beauty box looks. It's always really nicely packed. And so there is always this note that comes along and reads some nice things, and this, and always sealed. So this is how my beauty box is packed inside. Oh, so many products and some really good size products. So let's have a look. So the first thing that is catching my attention is this Madara Deep Moisture Regenerating Night Cream. And as I spoke in my last video, I am a huge fan of things that you can sleep with and wake up beautiful. I feel the skin repairs the best in the night, so whatever misbehavior I do with the skin, with all the pulling, tugging, pollution and makeup and whatnot, so I have to give my skin a real good product to sleep with and let it on, because this product will stay on the skin for like hours, 8 hours, whatever time you sleep. I don't sleep so much, but whatever, that's the longest a product stays on my skin. So yeah, I want that product to be really nice, and I always like to try new night products. Night products are usually very safe, they don't irritate the skin so much, they are soothing, calming kind of products, so yeah, mostly works. Thankfully I have normal skin, so I can try all of these things on my skin. So this is a regenerating night cream and it's suitable for all skin types. Overnight renewal for radiant complexion. I mean, it is just cleaning all my bells at one time. Let's open the box and see how is the cream looking like. Gosh, it smells heavenly even from outside. So it looks like this. Very nice packaging. It's got vitamin C and E and hyaluronic acids and some revitalizing botanicals. I'm very hopeful about this product. So the product number 2 is oh my god, this is it's pretty much like a full-size product. It's a very good size product. I don't know how would be the exact real bottle or pot. It is rose and lemon enriched body cream from Monuspa. Oh, Monuspa, I have used this product and they're quite reliable, they're quite good. I think I had an oil and I had an eye cream, something like that, and I also got these products from the beauty box only, and I really love them. So this is rose and lemon enriched body cream. Rose and lemon. Oh my god, it smells heavenly. Oh wow, this is really amazing. I'm so looking forward to use it. It's 100 ml pot and it's this cream, and yep, Up next is a makeup brush. Ooh, I am excited to see that. Responsibly and ethically sourced from So Eco. So this is a brand called So Eco. Here is the brush that they sent me. It tapers at the right places, looks really good quality. It's, oh my god, it's really soft. And can you tell there are these troughs on the side which will make the using of this product very easy. That really feels good. I can never have enough of brushes. Because actually sometimes I'm very lazy to wash my brushes, so what I do is once one lot is dirty, I just keep them on the side and I open the new ones, then make them dirty and then wash them all together. So basically I always keep 2 full set of brushes by me, and I can never have enough of brushes, so I'm gonna use it very happily. Up next is a small 10 ml Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum from This Works. It has 2% hyaluronic acid and slow release vitamin C to help plump and brighten morning skin. Sounds really good. I'm definitely gonna try it, and everybody knows This Work products really works. So yes, I'm gonna use it. In fact, I'll use it tomorrow morning. And next is this lip gloss from Sleek Cosmetics, and it's called Matte Me in the shade Bittersweet. Let's try that. And let me swatch it for you. It's this shade. It's a pink color, and ooh, I tried to remove it. It's quite good pigmented. Look at that. And lastly, they have included some food supplements. These are some multivitamins, which include vitamin C, bamboo extract shoots, bilberry extract, flaxseed oil powder, zinc, copper, biotin, iodine, vitamin D3 and selenium. The formula looks quite good to me. I normally also take multivitamins, and I would recommend, if you do not take multivitamins, start taking them. If you have any hair loss problems or skin issues, it's going to replenish whatever your body is not able to extract from the normal food you eat. There are 30 capsules in it, and usually I pay around 52 francs for the normal multivitamin capsules that I consume, and this has 30 capsules, so I'm sorted for a month. Great. So yes, these were all the products from this edition of Look Fantastic Beauty Box. I hope you like this unboxing, and I hope you like hanging out with me. So if you do subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on any of the social media accounts, and I will be very happy to have you in my gang, and we'll have a lot of fun. I'll come up with lots and lots of beauty products reviews and other luxury bag reviews and all sorts of good stuff, basically lifestyle. If you like this video, you might like this video or this one. So thank you for watching this one. Ciao till next time.